once more to FM Mazor. This is Bali Broto, presented to you. This is English news. First, the headings. Chief Mbe, Senator Tabe Tano of the man was common in the cafiage and started to be crying like a little njaka. There was cancelled the former die that they were writing English technical exam in the 3 times, then they have brought it down in the 2 time. Now the news in full. Chief Mbe, Senator Tabe Tano of the Manus was shocktalization the general cafiage in the crying in front of the cafiage. The true thing that was there was that he was organization a little jangi to spoke about the Cha'a that is batting in the Anglophone party of Cameroon and to be begging that where I beg now, remes and rapists send your children messages in the bush that they should come on and came back in the village. When he was trying to be begging this beg, Cafiage was just one to saw, he was station inside a cry. He was trying to be crying like a little jacka. Now where we are begging don't want to jagger the daddy the day in the bush, that they should come out and come back to the village now. If you shall not tell them that it shall be a war, because they were always spoken that now, the Man United is a bastard place today in the world. I am begging you. As he was crying, Cafiage was one to saw, he was knee down in the ground and put the country in the knee and dantation his knee on the ground. People was holler that a whole chief / senator is putting his knee in the ground. Ice Karima, the ice witness that is always the day. Can you speak the truth that was took place? What was really happened in the day?
Much Bali brought up, and thank you the general caviars who have still been there for looking inside this outside where we are inside. My name is Isaac Kaisman. Now I have report again for the eyewitness we have been. Now we have finished for inside that blessed video team we have gone show us and done and a while inside this outside inside. I have paid transport and I have gone monthly. We have seen some senator Chief Tabe Tano. He have knee down like some class 2 picking and have boss papa cry for phone cafiashi say baloro trouble. Me mami don't come on inside busho. Balogo, picking the don't carry gunny, una comori. We have blasted this thing. It's push can chip or go and bust car like it's more picking way. They have denied for give chop for inside this answer we're inside. Even me where I be here, so I cannot go and bust car for front chop them. But pa have gone bust cry. Cry perfect car on tip up can say have park crazy inside this answer we're inside. All man have passed me. I have gone collect them now inside this inside. I have looked the way that pa have bust cry. I'll only target that chief cap. Say if he make that thing, I will take that chief cap and Mrs.
May gonna take the message. For all the children, when they live for bush, make them come back home. Make them know make them insult the people. I don't make them. I don't make them. They don't give me their number. I don't make them so they say my name don't bad. Then you talk now about my you say a bad place. Make them come out and beg them.
As Yusuf shall have yet from the ice charisma, the man that was there, he was truly undone. How can a man of a high carnival, Kanziba, of a high status schools, be kneeling in the down and be crying and begging like a jacka? Is that not a disgrace? Is this the kind of special status that they was spoke that they shall give to the Anglophone party of Cameroon? Because this is not the first person that is crying a cry. The first man that was first citation his own cry was the government delegate for Bamenda Urban Council that was common in the grandstand on the Meme after the national dying of law and started to be crying and kneeling down and begging that men them shall leave their guns in the bush and came back to the Meme. We was spoke that and the Cafiage was also spoke that they should not be crying, but they should be making sure that they should enter them in the ministry and be making sure that the young status that they was spoke that they should give to the Anglophone party of Cameroon should truly day. This is the way that shall stop to be batting. It's not to be crying a childistic cry that shall make that the thing shall stop. How can pass? That means the rapists can be crying in front of little jackers. A whole government delegate and a whole living men them are crying. Is it a drama that they are actation or a true cry? The true work that they were supposed to be working is to be making sure that there should be only little jangis coming to the administration to be making sure that the special and the young status that they want to give to the Anglophone party of Cameroon shall this cry that they are crying like that for the remnants to went to the bush and brought their jackals and they shall add this batting? Is either a question that the caviar is asking. As concerned the Nyang whether they must spoke that technical education shall be, they have spoke that it shall no longer be again but thrice, but it shall be but twice. That means that they shall write the O-level technical, that is the preliminary one, and the advanced level technical, that is the higher one. That one in the middle that used today shall no more day again. That was today's edition of the Sase English News, checked out by MP3 Production, presentation by Barney Broughton, under the serious invitation of Nga Creative Design and the General Kafiage. May you saw your jackass and your jackass in jackass, because I have already spoke by below stomach.